Raising livestock can be a rewarding and profitable venture, but choosing the right animals is crucial for success. Whether you're a beginner farmer or looking to diversify your agricultural operation, discovering the most profitable livestock can set you on a path towards sustainable income and growth. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 most lucrative livestock options that can provide steady returns, maximize land use, and fit a variety of environments and business models. Let's start by thinking about profitability. It doesn't just come from how much an animal can fetch at market, but also from factors like how fast they grow, how often they reproduce, what they eat, and what kind of space and care they require. We also have to consider the demand for their meat, milk, eggs, fiber, or other specialty products, both locally and beyond. Number 5 on our list is goats. Goats are often overlooked, but their popularity is on the rise among small-scale and commercial farmers alike. Adaptable and hardy, goats can thrive in diverse climates, from hot and dry to cool and moist. They require less land than cattle, and their ability to browse rough plants makes them excellent foragers. Raising goats for milk, meat, or specialty products like goat cheese can yield impressive returns. Goat milk is highly sought after for its unique flavor and health benefits, while goat meat, also known as chevon, has a strong presence in many culinary traditions around the world. In addition, their manure is prized as a natural fertilizer, adding another revenue stream for resourceful farmers. At number 4, we have chickens. Chickens are perhaps the quintessential starter livestock, and with good reason. Their versatility is unmatched. They supply both meat and eggs, and breeds can be chosen for one or both. Chickens reach maturity quickly, which means new flocks can provide returns within just a few months. They don't require a lot of space, making them ideal even for backyard operations. The popularity of free-range and organic eggs has created an ever-growing market for specialty eggs, fetching higher prices for those who prioritize animal welfare and quality. Chicken manure can be repurposed for gardens and farms, reducing waste and supporting further profits. Next, at number 3, are rabbits. Rabbits may not be top of mind when people think of livestock, but they are incredibly efficient converters of feed to meat. Small, quiet, and low maintenance, rabbits reproduce quickly, meaning a pair can multiply many times over within a year. Their meat is lean, high in protein, and growing in demand for health-conscious consumers. Rabbits also offer fur and manure, both of which can be valuable byproducts. Because they require minimal space and can be raised in backyards, urban farmers are finding rabbits to be a smart choice for high-yield, small-footprint livestock production. Our number 2 pick is pigs. Pigs are one of the fastest-growing and most adaptable large livestock options. They are omnivorous, wide-ranging in diet, and able to convert many types of agricultural byproducts and kitchen scraps into high-value pork. Their fast growth rate and ability to birth large litters make them exceptionally productive. Pork is consumed widely around the world, providing access to large and diverse markets. Specialized products like heritage pork, organic and pasture-raised swine can command premium prices at farmers' markets and restaurants. Furthermore, pigs are often used to clear land and till soil, offering additional benefits to crop-oriented farms. And finally, sitting at number 1, we have cattle. Raising cattle requires more space, feed, and initial investment, but the potential rewards can be substantial. Cattle provide both meat and milk, and in many regions, cattle byproducts like leather are also significant sources of revenue. Beef remains one of the most popular meats globally, and there is a strong demand for grass-fed, organic, and specialty cuts, which often fetch higher prices. Dairy breeds can produce large quantities of milk, leading to a wide array of value-added products like cheese, butter, cream, and yogurt. For those with the means to manage pasture land, rotational grazing can boost land fertility and, over time, reduce input costs. While cattle require diligent management and good infrastructure, the scale and scope of operations can often make them the most profitable livestock option for many farmers. As you think about which livestock to raise, it's important to assess your resources honestly. How much space you have, your local climate, access to markets, and how much time and labor you can dedicate. Success comes from matching your operation to the right animals, as well as focusing on efficient feed practices, animal welfare, and creative marketing. Consider starting small to learn what works best for you. And don't forget to check local regulations and seek advice from agricultural extension agencies or fellow producers. Aside from direct profits from selling animal products, think creatively about value-added offerings and agritourism. For example, farm-fresh eggs sold directly to consumers, handmade goat cheeses, or pasture-raised pork boxes can all bring in more revenue than raw products alone. Workshops, tours, and farm experiences can also supplement your primary business. Lastly, remember that profitability isn't just about the numbers on a balance sheet. Raising livestock can offer other forms of value, restoring pasture lands, supporting local food systems, or simply the satisfaction of working outdoors with animals. With careful planning, consistent effort, and a dedication to both animal health and market demand, any of the livestock on this list can become a cornerstone of a thriving farm business. Thank you for joining us as we explored the top 5 most profitable livestock to raise. Whether you're dreaming of a homestead or scaling up a commercial operation, there's never been a better time to invest in your agricultural future by choosing the right animals for your land, goals, and lifestyle.